My name is Marty Wambacher, and I've just written a new book called The Boy Who Would Be a Fire Truck, True Life Tales of a Working Class Writer. Now in this book, there's one thing that's really unique, I think. I didn't put it together, and it wasn't my idea. It's my friend Joe Friedman's idea, who did all the illustration and design work for the book. But there's 2 flipbook movies in it, which I think are really cool. They're a lot of fun. I'm drinking a beer this way. I'll flip it. I don't think this is going to show. But I thought if you do buy the book, I'll recreate this. And I'll recreate the Belch movie right now by drinking a beer with you. Maybe you got one yourself. So cheers. So here's the movie. I'm drinking the beer. Put it up. Drink. That's kind of a false alarm bell, so let me try it again. Well, it's not turning out too good, so all I can tell you is buy the book, enjoy the movies, and cheers to you. Thanks for watching.